Bolyán, Disproving the Yamnaya, Indo-European Hypothesis, Ideological Hittite Spread, 2026. The Steppe Myth, Deconstructing the Yamnaya Hypothesis as Ideological Construct and the Hittite Origins of Indo-European Expansion. Abstract. This study proposes that the Yamnaya genetic cocktail is a scientific misnomer and that the prevailing Yamnaya hypothesis serves as a modern ideological instrument akin to 20th century racial propaganda. We argue that the linguistic and cultural commonality among Indo-European speakers is not the result of a superior genetic migration from the Pontic-Caspian steppe, but rather the result of an expansionist ideology first codified by the Hittites. This world domination framework, expressed through the artificially disseminated Nisa language, created a socio-political community rather than a biological one. We demonstrate that the genetic components typically attributed to the Yamnaya, Eastern hunter-gatherer, EHG, and Caucasus hunter-gatherer, CHG, could have emerged independently in Anatolia and the Balkans through local environmental and geographical interactions, rendering the steppe migration unnecessary. 1. The fallacy of the Yamnaya genetic cocktail. The fundamental pillar of the steppe hypothesis is the identification of a specific genetic signature, EHG plus CHG, as the Yamnaya marker. However, this study asserts that this combination is not a unique biological event localized to the steppe. Geographical inevitability. The convergence of EHG and CHG lineages could occur anywhere along the corridor between the Black Sea and the Mediterranean. In Anatolia and the southern Balkans, these populations were in direct contact for millennia. Climatic drivers. Rather than a mass migration of northern tribes moving south, local DNA shifts in Greece and Anatolia can be explained by post-glacial population stabilization. The presence of EHG and CHG in Mycenaean or Hittite contexts does not necessitate a common ancestor in the north. It reflects the shared geographic proximity to the Caucasus and the Eurasian interior. The New Man narrative. The depiction of Yamnaya as a conquering new race is an ideological projection. By framing them as a biological Homo sapiens sapiens a superior variant, proponents of the steppe theory inadvertently mirror outdated Ubermensch tropes. 2. The bridges and the Mycenaean elite. A critical flaw in the migration theory is the lack of evidence for steppe genetic dominance in elite burials, such as the Mycenaean royal tombs. The bridges, Phrygians. Historical analysis shows the bridges did not originate in the deep steppe but moved within the Balkan-Danube region. Their cultural traits, including horse husbandry, were technologies transmitted through trade and social imitation, not necessarily through bloodlines. Genetics of the Aegean. The EHG and CHG components found in Aegean DNA did not arrive as a package from the Yamnaya. Instead, they represent distinct, separate influxes driven by the Black Sea trade routes and Caucasian cultural contact. There is no biological proof that a cohesive Yamnaya people ever reached the Greek peninsula. 3. The Hittite ideological engine and the *Nisili language. The Indo-European language family is often treated as a natural evolutionary tree. This study suggests it was an ideological construct aimed at world governance. The Hittite model. The Hittites were the first to formulate a world-spanning imperial ideology. Their language, Nisili, the language of Nisa, served as a tool for administrative and religious unification. Artificial dissemination much like modern lingua francas, the Indo-European precursor was adopted by Lydians, Lawans, Phrygians, and later Greeks and Persians, not because they were relatives of the Hittites, but because they adopted the Hittite vision of a unified, hierarchical world order. Chronological disconnect The Yamnaya culture flourished around 3300 text -- 2600 text BCE $. However, the linguistic evidence for Hittite, Indo-European, only appears significantly later, around 2000 text -- 1900 text BCE $. This 1,300-year gap suggests that the Yamnaya likely spoke non-Indo-European languages, and the Indo-Europeanization of the world was a much later political project. Summary: the hypothesis of a special Yamnaya people is a genetic mirage. The cocktail of genes attributed to them was present across a wide geographical arc without the need for a central migration. The Indo-European community is an ideological community born from the Hittite expansionist drive and their creation of a universal administrative language. There is no master race from the north. There is only a shared political and linguistic history that began in the palaces of Anatolia. Primary sources and references: the Hittites and Nisili on the Nisili, Nisa, language The Hittites referred to their own language as Nisili or Nasali named after the city of Kanesh, Nisa. This distinguishes it from Hatili the indigenous, non-Indo-European Hattic language. Kultep tablets, c. 1900 BCE These old Assyrian merchant records provide the first evidence of Indo-European names and loanwords in Anatolia, showing a language already integrated into a complex trade network. The Proclamation of Anita one of the earliest known texts in Nisili detailing the rise of the Nisa dynasty and the ideological foundations of the Hittite state. Key historical references *1 Bryce, T. 2005. The Kingdom of the Hittites. Oxford University Press. Crucial for understanding the political expansion and the concept of the Great King. 2 Hofner, H.O., and Melchert, H.C., 2008. A Grammar of the Hittite Language. Eisenbrauns. Focuses on the linguistic structure of Nisili *. 3 Steiner, G. 1990. The Role of the Hittites in World History. Discusses the Hittite ideology of universal sovereignty. 4 Yakubovic, I. 2010. Sociolinguistics of the Luvian language. Brill. Explores how Indo-European languages like Lawan and Hittite interacted as administrative tools. 5 Bolyán, www.academia.edu